DJI Osmo Action 5.
This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is the Action 4, and this is the gimbal. On the gimbal, we have calibration. When we hit start, you have 3 seconds to calibrate, and it's going to do its thing. With the calibration of the Action 4, you don't have any time, nor do you have the time with the Action 5 Pro. You go into the camera, you hit the cog gear, and you scroll till you see horizon calibration. You take the camera, you press on it, and you hit calibrate. If you don't do it correctly, you get failure, as you see. I'll do that again. I'll retry. And I'll retry on this. If you're off by 1 degree, you're going to get failure. As you can see, this is taking longer than usual, and we're done. If we had the calibration like we had in the Pocket 3 to the Action 5 Pro and Action 4, then we wouldn't have a problem trying to calibrate. I'm just saying, please put a 3-second countdown. So this way, we don't make a mistake when we calibrate.